Hello everyone, welcome back to Globetrot with Taj. Today's journey is special, not just because it's beautiful, but because we are stepping into a place that is millions of years old. From Malpe Beach, we are heading towards St. Mary's Island. You can reach the island only by ferry from Malpe Beach. The Karnataka Tourism Department operates ferries and usually runs between morning and afternoon, depending on weather and sea conditions. You need to buy round-trip ferry tickets from the Malpe jetty beside the Gandhi statue. Ticket prices may change, but as of our visit, they were 400 for adults and free for children below 5 years. The ferry ride itself takes roughly about 20 minutes, and honestly, the ride is a part of the experience. As the boat cuts through the waves, the salty wind hits your face and the city slowly disappears behind you. For Taj, this was pure excitement. And then we arrive. White sand, blue water, and silence. St. Mary's Island is not just beautiful, it's extraordinary. This island is famous for its hexagonal basalt rock formations, tall, geometric stone columns that look almost unreal. These rocks were formed by volcanic lava activity nearly 60 million years ago, when the Indian subcontinent was still drifting after separating from Madagascar. Yes, you are literally standing on Earth's ancient history here. That's why St. Mary's Island is considered a National Geological Monument of India. Every rock here tells a story, one written long before humans ever existed. Historically, it's believed that Vasco da Gama first set foot on Indian land here in 1498. This island is also known as Coconut Island thanks to the coconut trees planted by missionaries long ago. So this tiny island holds geological, historical and cultural importance all in one place. There are strict rules here, limited access, no plastic and little food options, all to protect what nature has preserved for millions of years. And honestly, that's a good thing. This place is protected and it deserves to be. As the sun reflected off the stones and waves gently touched the shore, we realized something simple yet powerful. Some places don't need entertainment, they just need our attention. Today, Taj didn't go to a classroom, but he learned something far bigger. He learned that rocks can be older than stories, older than grandparents, older than imagination. As he touched the stones on St. Mary's Island, thank you for traveling with us on Globetrot with Taj. If this video helped you or moved you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. More family stories are on the way.